Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Ammu Englisha. Ammu Englisha. Today we are diving into future, not the time travel, but something just as exciting. Future tense in English. By the end of this video, you will be able to talk about your plans, predictions, and promises like a pro. Let's get started. So, we'll see what is future tense. The future tense talk about actions that will happen later. That is, in simple terms, the future tense is used to talk about things that have not happened yet, but will happen. Let's look at the different ways we express future tense in English. First, we have the simple future tense. The most common way to talk about the future is by using will. We'll use will here, which is the base form of verb. I will call you tomorrow. She will pass the test. You can also use shall, but it's mostly used in formal situations like I and we. For example, I shall return. Sounds dramatic, right? And also, for future plans and predictions, we use future tense, that is, going to. When we use going to when we have planned something or when we see evidence that something will happen. Example, I'm going to study tonight. They're going to travel next year. That is, these are the plans. And to express predictions also, in English, we use going to. That is, look at those clouds. It's going to rain. Going to rain. He is running so fast. He is going to win. That is, it's going to rain and it's going to win. These two are predictions. And we use present continuous for future events. For future events, we use present continuous. That is, am or is or with are plus verb ing forms. That is, present continuous for future events is used with this. That is, did you know we can also use the present continuous tense to talk about the future? We use it when talking about fixed plans or schedules. That is, if a plan is fixed or scheduled, then we'll use present continuous with future tense. For example, we'll see I'm meeting I'm meeting my friend tomorrow. They are flying to Paris next week. That is, next week is scheduled, and tomorrow it is the planned one. And we'll see future perfect tense. That is, actions that will be completed. That is, we'll use here will have plus past participle. If you want to talk about something that will be finished before a certain time in the future, then we use future perfect tense. That is, whenever we want to talk about something which will be finished before certain period of time, then we will be using this future perfect tense. By this time next year, I will be graduated, or by this time next year, I will have graduated. She will have finished the book tomorrow. And also we have future continuous tense. That is, the actions in progress in the future. Here we'll use will be plus verb ing. This tense is used when you want to describe an action that will be happening at a specific time in the future. That is, here we are telling about a specific time in the future. Example, this time tomorrow I'll be traveling New York. At 8 p.m. we will be watching movie. We will be watching. That is, here verb and ing form. We will be watching movie. Here we are using will be plus verb ing form for future continuous tense. Now let's take a quick recap so far what we have discussed about the future tense. Will plus base verb is general future, and going to plus base verb is for plans and predictions, and present continuous will be used with future for speaking about fixed plans. And also we'll use will have plus past participle will be using for completed actions in future. And also we'll use will be plus verb ing for the actions in progress in future. These are the main points you have to remember during conversation in English about the future tense. And that's it. Now you know how to talk about the future in English like a native speaker. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what are you going to do this weekend. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.